Hi guys, Happy J here. Welcome to another unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox the Xiaomi Buds 6. So recently Xiaomi just released this new earbuds called the Xiaomi Buds 6, and today we're gonna unbox and check out the features of these amazing earbuds. So checking out the different features, we now unbox the earbuds from its plastic covering. So once everything is removed, we now open up the box to check out the earbuds. For this one, we got the pearl white version, and I have to admit, it really looks sleek and beautiful. Next, we're gonna check out the other things inside the box. So we have here the user manual, and the other thing that we have is the charging cable, which is a Type C. It's pretty standard and straightforward. Of course, you could also use other cables to charge the buds, but it's highly recommended that you use the ones that came in the box. One thing that's also interesting with this buds is that when you connect it to a Xiaomi phone, it will also ask to install a special earbuds app. So, what does this app do? Actually, there's a lot of things. With the app, you could do faster firmware updates, noise cancellation, and you could also find your earphones using the app. There are also other features that you could do with your earbuds in the app, but let's do that for another time. We will now check the buds for its looks and feels as we also remove the protective plastic covering on each earbud and also the casing itself. Now, once that is removed, we can now use the earbuds and check out the other features. Now, with the app, there's a lot of things that we could adjust and also check the status of the earbuds if it is connected to your ear, if it has noise cancellation, and all those other adjustments that you could do with it. I'm actually curious on finding the earphone function because it also works with your find your phone function in iOS. The buds are standard in shape and it hugs around your ear perfectly, but also has additional functions that we could use, and we will discover that soon. I also like the casing because it's easy to take out and put the buds back in the case. And I also think the design of the case makes cleaning easier. Now, for the sound quality, we're gonna do a quick test by pairing it to a phone and playing some music and check out how crisp and good is the sound. I do have some expectations for the buds because it says it was tuned by the Harman Golden Ear team. So far, so good on our quick test, but we'll also do more tests using the app and all the other functions of the Xiaomi Buds 6. So there you have it, a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Buds 6. And thank you for watching Tech Manual. See you in the next episode.